This video discuss about Norton's theorem, named after Edward Laurie Norton in 1898 to 1983. So this theorem is analogous to Thevenin's, except that instead na open circuit test, Norton's uses the short circuit test and the equivalent circuit is parallel current. This time, hahanapin naman natin ngayon ang short circuit current. So what is the Norton's theorem? It states that a linear two-terminal circuit can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a current source IN in parallel with a resistor RN, where IN is the short circuit current through the terminals and RN is the input or equivalent resistance at the terminals when the independent sources are turned off. The formula in Norton's are current load is equals to 1 over RL over 1 over Rn plus 1 over RL times IN. And we're using Ohm's law, VL is equals to IL times RL. There are 3 steps in solving Norton's theorem. First step is find the Norton's or equivalent resistance Rn across the terminals by turning off all the independent source, short the voltage, open the current source. Step 2. Find the Norton's or short circuit current IN through the terminals by using any circuit analysis techniques you like. It's either mesh or nodal. Step 3 is connect Rn in parallel with the load RL across IN and apply the formula to solve for the current or voltage of the source. So this is the example of Norton's theorem. Find the Norton's equivalent circuit of the circuit at terminals of load RL is equals to L. RL is equals to 3. Solve for the current load and voltage load. So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang IL at ang VL natin. So, ang mga given dito ay ang 5 ampere, 32 volts, 4 ohms, 6 ohms, 18 ohms, 12 ohms, at ang ating RL na 3. So, sa first step natin, kailangan natin makuha ang ating RN. So, para makuha yung RN natin, isi-short natin ang 32 volts at i-open natin ang 5 ampere. So, ganito yung i-open natin yung 5 ampere. And then, isi-short natin yung 32 volts. So, kopyahin na lang natin yan. And then, i-open natin yung RL. Dahil dito, magkano yung RN natin. So, ito yung A, ito yung B, ito yung 6 ohms, 12 ohms, 18 ohms, at ang ating 4 ohms, at ito yung, wala pala ito, sorry. Ayan. So, mapapansin nyo, ang 6 ohms, 4 ohms, at 12 ohms ay in series siya na nakaparallel sa 18 ohms. So, ang magiging sagot natin dyan is Rn is equals to 6 ohms plus 4 ohms plus 18 ohms is equals to 22 ohms. So, dahil yung tatlo ay nakaparallel sa 18 ohms, magiging ganito siya. 22 ohms is parallel to 18 ohms. So, magiging ano dyan is 22, ganyan siya, over 22 plus 18 naman siya is equals to 9.9 ohms. So, ito na ngayon ang ating Rn na magagamit natin mamaya. So, ito yung step 1. Step 1. Get the Rn. Nakuha na natin ang Rn natin. So, ayan. So, punta naman tayo sa step 2. Step 2. Sa step 2, ano ang kailangan nating So, makukuha natin ang current. So, sa step 2, find short circuit current in terminal A and B. So, dito sa step 2 natin, kung makikita nyo yan, i-short, what I mean, tatanggalin lang natin tong Rn at short natin ang A and B, ang terminal A and B. So, ganito ang magiging niya. So, ayan. Gagawin daw natin ay i-short natin. So, magiging ganyan lang siya. So, ito yung and then, dito ngayon, ilalagay ang IN. Kasi yan yung hahanapin natin ngayon. So, ito yung 6 ohms, 18 ohms, 12 ohms. Ito yung ating 32 volts, 4 ohms, at ating 5 ampere. So, ganyan lang siya. Okay? So, ang next natin ngayon is, ang IN natin is, parang siya kay 18 ohms, kung mapapansin nyo. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, dahil ang IN natin is nakaparallel, magiging 0 na siya. So, bakit naging 0? Paano? Ganito yan. So, in parallel, 10 plus 18 is equals to 0. So, walang dumadaloy na current, wala na ring dumadaloy na voltage. 0 na siya. So, it's better, tanggalin na rin natin to. So, magiging ganito na yung form niya. Magiging diretso na lang siya. Ganyan. Ohms, ito yung 4 ohms, ito yung 32 volts plus, minus, so ito yung 5 ampere. So, kapag ganyan na siya, mag-isip na tayo kung anong techniques analysis ang ating gagamitin. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is mesh analysis. Mesh analysis. Maglo-loop lang tayo. So, kunyari ito, pag ganyan siya, so ito yung I1, loop din ng ganyan, ito yung I2 natin. So, yan. So, sa loop 1 natin ngayon, kung mapapansin nyo, ang kasama lang ng I1 is ang 5 ampere. So, at loop 1, since 5 ampere lang ang kasama, so, mabilis na natin makukuha. I1 is equals to 5 ampere. So, paano natin makuha naman ang ating loop 2 at loop 2? So, makikita natin, in series naman tong ang tatlong ohms kakasama. So, Rn is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 12 ohms. So, ang 22 natin is yung ohms, minus 32 volts, ayan, minus 4 I1 equals to 0. So, may value na ang ating I1, so, pwede natin itong isasubstitute natin ito. So, 22 I2 minus 32 volts minus 4 times 5, yung value ng I1 is equals to 0. At may total na so 22 I2 minus 32 minus 4 times 5 equals 20 equals 0. So 22 I2 minus 32 minus 20, so 52 is equals to 0. So, ita-transpose natin ngayon ang 52 sa kabila. So, magiging 22 I2 is equals to 52. So, i-divide natin ito sa 22 para matanggal yung kasama ng I2. So, i-divide natin. So, makakancel yung 22 or 22. Tapos, ang I10 natin ngayon ay, ang I2 natin ngayon or ang IN is equals to 2.36 ampere.